We are here at Restore Hyper Wellness in Bluffton. That is their new location, so we want to find out all about it. So tell us, first of all, where you are so people can find you.
Wonderful. So we are very close to 278 and Buff Walter Parkway, right? So we're right across the way from Ivy Brook Academy, a pretty popular daycare center.
And so talk to us a little bit about, I know you have some a great special that's going on for the month of March. So tell us about that. And then I want to know a little bit about what a first appointment might look like.
Sure. So if anyone's looking to get started, right, we have the opportunity of what we call a founding membership. And the founding membership is a discount off your membership fee for the lifetime of your membership. Right. So if you are looking to get in on kind of like the special VIP, right, this is the time to go ahead and
do it. And you have to do it before the end of March, so don't delay. So if I come in, walk me through what I might experience in a first appointment.
Sure. So during the first appointment, we're really going to understand why you're here, right? We want to learn your why as to why you want to help yourself in your world of wellness, right? And we're going to go ahead and do a consultation. That's 10 to 15 minutes, a few quick questions to really understand your background and why you want to achieve the wellness you want to achieve so that you can do more of what you love. That's the whole idea.
I like that idea. It sounds like a very good idea. And so, but tell us about this facility, just, some of the highlights of it. You have everything that you have in Hilton Head here.
Yes.
So I'm sure people in Bluffton are going to be very excited they don't have to drive that far.
Very excited. I do have a few people that are already coming here that were long time clients in Hilton Head, and it's much more accessible. Let's say that.
It is definitely. And what are your hours?
So we're open 7 days a week. So Monday through Friday, we're open 10 to 7. Saturdays 9 to 5, and Sundays 11 to 5. So hopefully there's enough time in there to have everybody, find the time for themselves and their own wellness.
Yeah, and I know that we have already talked about some other things, but in this location you have the very brand new cryotherapy chamber, which is pretty exceptional. So if you are on Hilton Head, you might want to come out and check it out here. Anyway.
Just to see it.
Okay. And if somebody is, and we only have like a couple seconds left, but if somebody is a member in Hilton Head, can they come here?
Yes, they can.
All right. So same way. Bluffton
Same
can
way.
go to Hilton Head.
It's a universal membership.
Excellent. Well, it's a beautiful new facility. Thank you for sharing it with us.
Thank you so much.